Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna be reviewing the new Juvia's Place bronzer, you guys, and you know I had to go cop that because it's supposed to be the next new best thing. Okay, so let's get into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, you guys, so what we're all here for, the new Juvia's Place bronzer, you guys, and this retails for $18. So yeah, let's try this out. And this is my first impression. Yes, I did open the box, but I have not put this on my face, you guys. So I swatched it, and let me tell y'all, it has like some diamond pearls thingy going on, like the Makeup by Mario foundation, y'all. Is giving radiant, is giving glow, it's very lightweight and creamy. Okay, so let's get into this tutorial. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, you guys, so here is the bronzer, and it comes in a nice flat compact like component, and I like that, you guys. You could fit this anywhere. It's very skinny, and you guys, it's at 9 mLs in this container, and in the shade espresso. And in the back says made in Italy, y'all. Like, what's tea about that? So let me give it a little swatchy swatch. Like you can see, I gave it that one swatch, you guys, and it's very thin and creamy. Okay, so let me give y'all the swatchy swatch, and I'm gonna try to show y'all the pearls. I'm gonna turn the camera around and try to see if I can get the pearls in. Okay, you guys, so turn the camera. Please don't mind my nails, y'all. I hate taking them off. They hurt really bad. But I don't know if you guys see the little pearl. Oh, I know I'm looking crazy right now, but I literally just got this package, and I came and did this video just for y'all. You get what I'm saying? Because I'm missing in action. But I love y'all, YouTube. Don't try me, okay? Don't try me. So this is the bronzer. Let me get into my makeup and do my routine, and let's go. So then I'm gonna use some of this Bobbi Brown because I'm liking how this gives me this nice little finish right here. And I'm just gonna use that right here on the inside. We trying to preserve the Bobbi Brown, okay? Period. Let me know if you guys like my new setup with my background. If not, I'll get another background. So, but welcome to my living room. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is color correct, because I feel like when I color correct, I be more flawless. So we color correcting with the LA Pro Girl concealer and the NARS soft matte. So I can't find my NARS because my son was in here moving around my sugar honey iced tea. So I'm doing it without the NARS, but I usually put the NARS. Now I gotta go run and find where my NARS is at, but I'm not doing that right now. So I put that concealer right on the eye just to lighten up the dark spots and marks. And that's him in the background. So now we're going in with the e.l.f. Glow. I just got this, and I want to see if it does what it says it's supposed to do. But I don't think it's my shade, but we can make it definitely work. Okay, we can definitely make it work. We're gonna try to make it work. But I heard this is the glow, so we're gonna try the glow. So going in with my foundation brush and just blending that out. Ooh. Okay. Alpha. We hearing what you saying. We hearing what you saying. Oh, it's kind of a little light though. That's the thing. I like my foundation a little darker than my skin, but my chest is light. I ain't gonna lie, but it's just my black old neck. Like, what's tea with that? I don't know. But yeah, that foundation is definitely giving a little glow. But you know, I'm a full coverage girl. We're not gonna leave it like this. We're gonna put our foundation on top of it. I should have put some thing there. Hold on. For foundation, we're going in with my NARS and my She Glam. Y'all know I love them to mix together. And yeah. Okay, y'all, let me stop playing. Let's get down to the nitty gritty, the contouring part, the part that we're all here for. Okay, so my first impressions is I have the foundation stick and I feel like it's easy to just glide on. And now I'm over here trying to find a brush to, you know, contour. So already off the black, do y'all see that glide that is given? Like, I got the darkest shade because I know for a fact that I don't want to get the wrong shade. Okay, so the way this is gliding right now, I know y'all see that. I just know y'all see that. It's very lightweight. Oh, I didn't even read the claims to you guys. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I didn't even read the claims. I'm so sorry. I'm about to read that now. Oh, shit. Okay, you guys, so the claims on this beautiful bronzer here is bronzing cream bronzers are crafted with shimmer pearls and glide smoothly onto skin, creating a seamless and radiant finish that mimics the warm embrace of the sun. The pearls delicate reflects light, unveiling and mysterious luminescence. Okay, those are the claims, okay, and we'll be the judge of that. So let's continue this video and contour our face. Not too dark, it's not too light. Do y'all see how easy to blend that away? Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Y'all, I love it. I don't know how I love it already, but I definitely do. And it's blending away like so, excuse me, easy. So easy. Yes. I thought the nose contour would have been too dark, but it's perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna conceal, and I'm gonna finish my face and come back for the last touches. I don't know what's wrong with me. I can't talk today, y'all. Since we keeping it all in the family, might as well use the Juvia's Place blush in Marigold. Okay, you guys, so the ending, I really did not, I forgot to come back and finish the ending, you guys. I'm making way too many videos at one time, but you already see the ending because I already told y'all I love the bronzer now. Okay, the component, I don't know, I wish it was more in like a stick form like they foundation sticks, but this is the ending results of the contour, you guys. Thanks so much